Are you looking for the best plate joiner? In this video, we will break down the top 3 plate joiners on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Porter Cable Plate Joiner Kit. This joiner has the power to churn through all of those materials with ease, using a 7.0 amp, 10,000 RPM, no-load motor. This biscuit joiner won't slip away from hard, tight-grained wood, deep cuts, or long work shifts. 90% of cuts are going to be at 90 degrees, but this joiner can do more than that. The stainless steel fence tilts from 0 degrees to 135 degrees for a variety of bevel cuts. It has a 7-position rotating depth stop for FF, number 0, number 10 and number 20 biscuit sizes, and simplex, duplex and max number 6 biscuits. This biscuit joiner uses a 1-inch outside diameter port for dust collection, either into a dust bag or a vacuum. The bale handle is attached to the fence, not the motor, so the motion is much smoother going through the wood. The blade on this biscuit joiner is 4 inches in diameter. The unit ships with a centering plate, dust bag, chip deflector, Allen wrench, and a nice carrying case that can take a punch. At number 2. Chicago Plate Joiner. For minimalistic design and technique, this biscuit joiner fits right in. It does most of the things that pricier models do, but might not be quite as versatile if you stray from the basic biscuit sizes and angles of cuts. It cuts slots that accommodate biscuit sizes number 0, number 10, and number 20 and cuts angle up to 45 degrees. Running the show is a nifty 6.0 amp motor that generates 10,000 RPMs. This should supply plenty of power for hardwoods and composite materials, as well as the deeper cuts. The slot width on this biscuit joiner is 5/32 of an inch, delivered by a 4-inch, carbide-tipped blade. Setting the angles and depths is easy, and the measurements are reliable. At number 3. Makita XJP03Z Plate Joiner. This joiner cordless plate joiner provides portability and performance in the field or in the shop without the cord. The rack and pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate fence adjustments, and the cast aluminum pivot fence has 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. The blade diameter is 4 inches, and there are 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops for the most common biscuit sizes including number 0, number 10, and number 20. It combines power and precision with ease of use features for strong and accurate biscuit joints for furniture making, cabinet construction, and fine woodworking applications. Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. This product provides up to 320 cuts or 160 joints on a single charge.